naman nila is they would respond no doon sa mga doon sa mga evidence ng or sa arguments presented by the prosecution. So ang maraming mini-mention itong prosecution, no. Although one of those mentioned, no, kasi parang lumalabas appeal to emotion ito mga statement nila, and sinasabi nga ni Attorney Kaufman, no, especially kay Attorney Butuya, no, na hindi ito essay contest, no, hindi ito poetry contest, no. This is a legal proceeding, and we base our statement on actual facts or actual evidence. So yun yung medyo sa tingin ko, no, they will try to contradict, no, etong mga isnabit nitong prosecution, no. And then I think they will still drill on dun sa kanilang argument na wala talagang jurisdiction, na this is actually a political persecution on the part of the Marcos administration, because it would be more perhaps mas madali para sa kanila na pahinain yung mga Duterte camp, no, because alam natin 2028 is fast approaching, na sa tingin nila mas madaling pahinain yung Duterte camp pag tinanggal nila, no, yung head, no, ditong Duterte camp, which is si President Digong. So sa tingin ko doon kasi all throughout, no, nung minomonitor natin, ang nakikita talaga natin, jurisdiction talaga yung kanilang tinitira, no. And I guess, no, until the end, baka ganun pa rin yung kanilang strategy, jurisdiction pa rin yung kanilang titirahin.